Are you eager to uncover the secrets to YouTube success in 2023? Join me as I reveal the guaranteed recipe for building a thriving YouTube channel. With 4 years of experience and 4 successful channels, I've discovered the key ingredients that will set you on the path to triumph in the YouTube world. The journey starts with a fundamental question: why am I doing this? Whether it's for passion, money, or a combination of both, your purpose will shape your channel's direction and success. Before you take that leap, ask yourself if you're genuinely passionate about the niche you've chosen. In 2023, all you need is a mobile phone with a decent camera. Technology has advanced, and expensive equipment is no longer a barrier to entry. You can now start making videos right away, honing your skills in filming, editing, and creating stunning thumbnails. Embrace the idea that your initial videos may not be top-notch. It's all part of the learning process. With time, dedication, and practice, you'll become a master of your craft, video by video by video. The key to YouTube success lies in your ideas and your passion for what you do. Before hitting that record button, ask yourself 2 vital questions. Why am I making this video? And does anyone need it? Knowing the answers will be the foundation of your video's success. Talking in front of the camera might seem simple until you actually do it. Practice makes perfect, so don't be disheartened if it feels awkward at first. As you continue to practice, your confidence will soar, making your content more engaging for your audience. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Treat it like any other business venture. Be prepared to invest the time and effort necessary to see the results you desire. If you're starting YouTube solely for money, you might get discouraged when the profits don't roll in right away. Like any business, it takes time to establish yourself and build a loyal audience. Find a niche that you're so passionate about that you can't stop talking or thinking about it. Consistency is the key, and with persistent efforts, success will follow. So, are you ready to take on the world of YouTube in 2023 armed with this proven recipe for success? Start by asking yourself why you're venturing into this exciting world. Embrace your passion, practice, and keep uploading content that matters. You've got this. Let's make 2023 your year of YouTube triumph.